circles running miles, every promise fixed to gray, like the glitch that won't replay. All the noise is getting louder, every breath is getting harder. If the sky is just a ceiling, maybe falling is the feeling. So let me fall into the void tonight, into the dark where the stars don't fight. Scream my name into the endless sound, watch my world just spiral down. I'm so tired of pretending I'm fine, dancing on this fragile line. If the abyss is calling me, maybe that's where I should be. Broken echoes in the hall, every shadow starts to crawl. All the words I never said turn to thunder in my head. Paper dreams with hollow praise, trapped inside a looping maze. If I vanish in the deep, with the silence let me sleep. All the lights are getting colder, all the weight is on my shoulders. If the sky is just illusion, maybe falling is the solution. So let me fall into the void tonight, into the dark where the stars don't fight. Scream my name into the endless sound, watch my world just spiral down. I'm so tired of pretending I'm fine, dancing on this fragile line. If the abyss is calling me, maybe that's where I should be. Static in my bloodstream, crashing like a fever dream, laughing at the gravity, pulling down the rest of me. Shadow every silver chain, let it pull like neon rain. If I breathe beneath the sky, at least I know I try. Let me fall into the void tonight, where the broken hearts ignite. Turn my silence into fire, burn away this tired wire. I'm so done with the endless climb, fighting ghosts inside my mind. If the abyss is calling me, I'll dive in and finally be free.